This is Angel Viren with Keystone Mortgage Company, and this is my second podcast of 2015. I get asked all the time what the minimum credit score to apply for a mortgage is. It just depends on which bank and which lender and which mortgage broker you are actually working with. All banks and lenders set their minimums depending on what programs that they actually have. So if you're working with a bank, they have a little bit higher of mortgage standards, a little bit higher credit standards than, say, a mortgage lender does. And a mortgage broker actually brings on many different lenders, wholesale lenders, and such to provide a variety of different programs and down payment programs and lenders and things like that to make sure that they have a wide variety. They can have a wider variety of credit scores, down payments, programs available instead of just going to the one company with their one set of programs and their one minimum down payment, their one minimum credit score. So as far as credit scores are concerned, we have three credit scores that we pull: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. We use the mid of those. So if you have a borrower and a co-borrower, then we'd use the lower of the mid of the two. So if your borrower has a mid score of 640 and your co-borrower has a mid score of 600, then we would use the lower of those two on the 600. Our minimum credit score is actually a 500 credit score. We work with probably 15 different banks and wholesale lenders to make sure that we are providing a wide variety of options to our borrowers. That's an FHA program. So we have an FHA down to 500. There's a plethora of different options, anywhere from 500 to 620. 620 is the minimum credit score set by conventional loans. So that is set across the board, but they are the only secondary financer that actually set a minimum credit score. FHA and VA and those programs don't actually have a credit score minimum. The minimum is set by the actual lenders. Conventional is the only one with a minimum of 620. If you have any questions, you can follow us on Facebook, Keystone Mortgage Company here in Billings, Montana. You can call us 406-248-7124, or you can find us on the website at www.keystonehomeloans.com. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.